Good day, everyone. Thank you once again for coming to my page. And I want you guys, if you are watching these videos, I want you guys to please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification button so you can follow more and learn a lot from me. I'm actually a beginner trader, but I have already have enough knowledge in this forex industry, but now I'm here to share it with you. What is actually holding me back now is capital. I have not seen a good capital for me to trade with, but now I'm going to teach you about market structure. I'm actually here to share my knowledge for those that didn't know about this stuff. So market structure meant the direction of the market. So we only need the direction of the market for us to follow and to be making profit in this trade. Before you become a trader, you have to master this. This is actually compulsory as a trader you are, because the market cannot be going up and you insist to be going down. That way you can lose your money. So market structure is actually the direction of the market. So this year is actually a downtrend. You guys should forgive me because of my camera. I'm not actually using a good phone. I'm not using a good phone right now. So you guys should forgive me, and I pray that one day I will buy all the instruments from me. I will buy all the instruments that I will be using to be teaching you guys about this stuff. So this is actually market structure. So what we call this thing is actually downtrend, and this one is actually an uptrend. This one actually an uptrend, and this is actually the consolidation. For you to know that market is actually going down or up, you guys will need to be seeing break of structure, the series of lower low and lower highs. So at this downtrend, at this bottom, we call this here. We call here. What we call there is actually lower low. Do you get it? And we come over here, we call here lower high. So lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So the market is actually breaking the structure, because this is our recent high. Here is our recent high. The recent high meant the first high created before the market actually this is the first high. What we mean by a recent high means this is actually the high, the highest high of our trend, and here is our lowest low. You get it? Our lowest low. Here is our lowest low. Here is our highest high. So the market was pulling up. It broke down, and here, if the market break the recent high, it will be we are going to call it break of structure. Wait, guys, break of structure. That is BOS. Break of structure. That's the short form, BOS. So the market actually break the structure to the downside. So, and it went up after the market break the structure of the downside. Here have become lower low. Wait. Here have become break of structure. So market broke it and be going up. And here is actually our recent low again. And there is our recent high. The market was attempting to go up to go and mitigate this high. Sorry guys, to go and mitigate this high, but the market went down instead, break the recent high again. So that recent high that has been broken will also be called break of structure again. That is BOS. So the market trying to go up again. So here will not be our recent high again. It will be here, and here will be our recent low. So the market was actually here will be our recent low. The market was actually attempting to go up again, but sellers are very strong, so they break the structure again, showing it. That makes it again break of structure to the downside. Now the market is actually going down. This is actually used for SMS traders, but for ICT traders, they usually draw a trend line like this. This thing right now is actually called a trend line. So they'll just draw it and touch the point of the highest high. I mean to say the lower high of the market, the week. That what we'll be touching. So from downtrend, just about that thing we go. From downtrend, so coming over to uptrend. That thing we did here can be applied in uptrend. So the market was actually going higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, making a series of making a series of higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. I'm also breaking the structures. And for ICT traders, they usually use trend line again and mark out the week of the week and mark out the week of the week of the market. So for us, we traders, we usually trade uptrend and downtrend. Sometimes consolidation, especially ICT trader, they like to trade consolidation. But for me, SMC, I mean to say SMC trader, I always trade the movement of the market. I don't trade consolidation. But there are some SMC trader that usually trade consolidation, but I'm not fond of it. So this is actually the market structure, because the market has not breaking any series of highs. Like here is my recent high, and here is my recent low. And market has not breaking anywhere, not above, not below. It has been touching it with the wicks. It has been touching the wicks. Have you seen it? It has been touching the wicks. So I don't know the direction of the market. That's why I say trading consolidation can be risky. It can be risky because some people will be indicating selling, like buying from here, not knowing that the market is actually trying to break from the structure, and people will just enter their take profit over here, stop loss below here, and market will just go down and hit them out. And some people can actually go for, maybe market will just go up and touch here again. Like market will just touch here and people will be looking for buying from here, because they see the market has been because they see here is a strong resistance. I mean to say, because they see here is strong support zone and here is a strong resistance zone. They will not go above it, they will just hit it here, and still market will just smash there, and some people will just go for downtrend. Once market indicates here and will be looking for selling, market will just go up and smash them out. So that's the consequences of trading these trades, consolidation, and that's not for me. But that doesn't mean that we not lose, because losing is part of the game in this forex trading. So coming to if I talk about advanced market structure, what I meant is, like, let us assume that market is actually going like this. Because for me to mark out my market structure, I usually use 4 hours time frame to give me full details about my market structure movement. So the market will be going up, like this is the uptrends. So this is actually an advanced market structure. It's actually an advanced market structure. Maybe you just come let me look for something. Excuse me. Okay, maybe you just come this 4 hours time frame. If you zoom out from it, like if you zoom out, I mean if you zoom out like this, you will see the full picture of the 4 hours time frame. If you zoom out like this, you will see the full picture of the 4 hour time frame. I'm talking about this side here. But once you come over that place, there are tiny movements. Sorry. Let me just use this one. If you come down to it, you just see the movement of, you just see small movement like this. This is actually the market structure. Oh, sorry. The market will just be going like this. Sorry about my drawing. No, I'm not used to drawing with system, but I'll get the hang of it one day. We see the trade going like this, but that's not our problem. So this is actually an advanced market structure. We just draw it like this. Like here will be my breakout structure, and here will also be my breakout structure, and here will also be my breakout structure. So this is actually my advanced market structure. This is advanced. So our normal market structure is, you will come to 4 hours, you just be seeing something like this, small trends within that zone. That's actually our market structure like that. So let me just show it to you in the live chat. I will just show it to you guys in my live chat. Let me just so coming over to that advanced market structure and so on. This is actually, let me go down to 4 hours. So what I mean is, by zooming out, look at it. Market has to be zooming out for me now. It is now zooming out. So like this, here is actually my advanced market structure through 4 hours. Have you seen it? Look at the steady movement that I'm talking about. These are the movement that I'm talking about. This is my market structure movement. This is my market structure movement. But I'm not going to draw everything. This is the market structure movement, but here is my advance. Once I zoom out to my advance, I'm sorry about the camera, guys. Please forgive me. So here is actually my breakout structure. The market broke here. Wait. Here is actually my breakout structure. Let me zoom in right now. Have you seen it? Starting from the week. That's where I draw it, from the week. And the market has been going. To break it. So right here, I'm actually looking for my next breakout structure. So for me, this market is actually an uptrend. This market is actually an uptrend. Although the market have not excuse me guys, although the market have not touched here, have not touched it, that it did not sweep it. It did not even break the structure. It did not even break the market. The market reached there and be going down, indicating that this market is actually going up. So here, for me, this is actually the advanced market structure. Lower, high. So here will be lower, high. Sure you get market break above here, but now I'll be looking for my buying here. This is actually my strategy. I meant SMC strategy. I'll be looking for buy from here. So me as an SMC trader, we use order block. I'll mark out my order block. But for ICT, they use support and resistance. So I'll just mark up my order block, waiting for market to mitigate there. So the market have not mitigated there. That's why the market has not even breaking the recent high. It's actually attempting to break it, but now it's now actually reversing to go and mitigate the market, the order block, to fill in the liquidity down here and be going up. And be going up, and then break the recent high. That will show me confirm break of structure. So here is actually my order block. So coming down to here, my normal market structure, break of structure lies. Market structure, look at it here. And delete this thing. The market actually goes high, go low. So let me use this. It goes high, goes low. This is one candlestick, that's one movement, that is it. Now goes up, sorry, the market goes up, higher, lower high, lower low, 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 lower lower high, lower low, higher, lower, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Here is actually the higher high, and now the market have changed to lower low. See it here, lower low. So look at it. This is actually the my normal market structure. I even trade this, and I also trade this advanced. I trade advanced and normal market structure. So this market have been breaking the recent structure like this. Sorry, my drawing is bad, but please manage it for me, guys. I'm sorry about my camera. I don't have a good phone, and I pray that one day I'll make up the money and buy a new phone, so you guys will be seeing my chat clearly. And also I will set up everything that I need for my trades. So now the market have broken here. I also teach you guys about market break of structure and MSS, what they meant, like the real definition. If you see them, what they require, the market structure, the MSS and the CHOCH, that's church, MSS and church. So look at it here. Look at my for SMC we use break of structures. Then for ICT they use trend line like this. Have you seen it? The market did not touch here, so this is the recent. if the ICT traders are here right now. You know, everybody have their own strategy and have the reason they trade with the strategies. But me, I rather trade with SMC strategy. Look at it. The market actually, this is the first touch, and the market goes low. It goes low. Touches here, it goes low. Touches here again, it goes low. And the second touch, look at the whys. Look at the reason I say I don't like SMC. Like, look at it. Some people will be selling from here because the market have touches here. For me, I don't care. You know, I don't actually understand the ICT that much. I always trade with SMC. I understand SMC very, very well. I don't know how to use ICT, but I'm actually showing you guys how ICT trade with their clean line. So once the market actually broke above, they'll just enter buy right there, because here is the strong bullish candlestick. Got it, strong bullish. Got it. So they'll just enter here. Some will stop there, put their stop loss there. Some will put their stop loss like this, you know, 20 pips or something, and just do it to like 1 to 2 ratio. Is enough for them. But me, I don't trade it, you know. I don't trade with these strategies. So this is how they trade with advanced and market, and they have advanced and normal market structure. This is how they trade advanced. This is how they trade market structure. I will even be grabbing this small movement, like this small movement. I will even be grabbing it and be trading it. And once market hits here, once market touches here, my other block, I will just move down to 1 hour time frame and refine my other block. That's how I trade SMC. I'll just go down to 1 hour and refine that other block. If you want to learn something about how to trade SMC, I can teach you guys, and refine the other block that's here. Whatever is happening there, I don't care until the market actually touches this my 1 hour other block. Once market touches it, I will just buy from there. Not that I will just buy. I will just look for confirmation, better confirmation in my lower time frame. I will now buy from there. So guys, if you guys are watching this video, and I actually beg you guys to please subscribe on my channel, turn on my notification button. If you are watching from TikTok, follow me so you guys will learn more about this my trading stuff. And guys, please share with your friends, with your trading friends. I'm actually happy to teach you guys about this forex trading, to share my knowledge with you guys about the forex trading. So I'm actually going to show you guys my trade that I captured using my strategy. Sorry. Look at my trade I captured using my strategy. Look at it. Like here is actually a strong support, like strong resistance zone right now. Even though the market is going to pull back, it's only pull back from here and then sell. That is actually even the market is going to pull back, it just pull back to here and go down. So I'm actually predicting this in my market right now. Look at it. So guys, look at the trade right here. Volatility 25 index. Yes, I saw the trade from here above. So look at my TP, $165.26. So that's actually my TP. So look at it, I'm actually in profit of 86 point something dollars. But my disadvantage right now is that this trade is actually my demo account. It's actually demo account. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you're watching from YouTube, please turn on your notification button, hit the subscribe button also. And if you're watching from TikTok, please follow this account, share my video to all your friends that's actually in forex trading, so they will even be learning more from me. Thank you.